Hey Mandi maniacs! Today the cats will be doing a Halloween review. Look at this adorable cauldron. We found this at Walmart and they are cat treats. So super cute little cauldron, right? Let's see. Vibrant Life Halloween cat treats. Chicken flavored. Alright. We can open this. Oh guys, be careful opening that. I did and it flew like a saucer and the cat got scared and dropped food out of her mouth. Okay, so here we are. They're individually packaged, which is genius, so they don't dry out. Would have been great if there were 6 in every package because we have 3 cats. So, let's see, I think they're all purple, right? Is that the color? On the package it showed there were different colors. Let's see, we have this light purple. Oh, then we have a darker purple. I think they're all purple, guys. Light and dark purple. The, light to medium purple are little witch hats. And then the darker purple to, black are little... I don't know what they are. Oh, I see. They're like little skeleton faces. Alright, cool. That's so cute. Very cute. Alright. Oh, wait. We have another color in here. We have orange. And these are little candies. Oh, how cute. Let's see. And then we should also have a green, I'm thinking. I don't think they got a green in their little boo basket here. Orange and black, very cute. Oh, look, there's little, streamers in here, too. Oh, wait, I think I see some green. I see some green. Very cute. They're little green fish. These are very cute. It's like a little trick-or-treat basket for the cats. That's adorable. Look at them. Oh, and then look at the little, orange festive streamer grass. That's super cute. Oh my gosh, this is so cute, you guys. I love this. Let's see if the cats love them too. So we're gonna try with Fluffy first, and we chose orange to let them try. Look, Fluffy, there you go. What do you think? You don't want to try it? Why not? They're all the same. Yeah, you're not gonna try it? I think you should try it. See, it's right here. Try. This one is our pickiest cat. She's very picky about what she'll try. You know, my one criticism about these treats is I wonder if they're almost too big for a little cat mouth. I don't know. I wonder if they almost need them broken. Here, let me take a seat. I'll break one for you. Let's see if that works. Maybe it's too big for your mouth. There you go. See, it's smaller now. Does that work better? I'm gonna say maybe Fluffy's not so interested. No? Alright then, you are not interested. All right, now to try the other two kitties. My kitty Gizmo, will he like it? Let's see. What do you think? No, you don't have to be scared of it. It's a cat treat. You silly guy. Flower, what do you think? Flower will usually eat anything. Gizmo and Fluffy are the two picky ones. Yeah. Fluffy loves people food, but cat treats she's very picky about. Did you eat it? No, you didn't. Why not? See, I'll try breaking one in half for you guys too. Maybe then you'll like that better. Here you go. Here's half. Here's half. See, it's smaller. Is it easier to eat? Look, Giz. Is it easier to eat? No, you don't like? What about you? Do you like it? No? None of you are trying it? Fluffy's back. Gizmo, though, he ran away. He really didn't like it. All right. Did you like it? No? You didn't even try it. Why not? No? So 3 out of 3 cats would not even try it. The one that came the closest was Fluffy, who whacked at it a bit. But they were not interested. It didn't pass the sniff test for them. Oh, can you stop her, sweetie? Our dogs are very rude. So, are you gonna try it? Usually you're not picky. Yeah, usually you're not picky. So there you guys have it. If you have picky cats, they probably will not eat these. But they are really cute. But I guess that's that.